everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, today I got my Glam seamless extensions in, so here they are. The method that I got was not the clips. I got the one that's called Glam Band, which is their halo ones. I'm super excited to try. I recently toned my hair, last video up on my channel. I toned my hair to match the extensions as best as possible, and in this video I'm gonna be trying them out. They come straight, so I'm probably gonna have to curl them, but my hair is like freshly curled and everything for the extensions. Now, the reason why I got the halo extensions as opposed to the clips is because my hair is already long. Not super long, but my hair is already long and I have a lot of hair. I just kind of want a little bit of extra length and volume for those days that I just want to look a little extra glam. If I keep looking over here, it's because my viewfinder is over there. I need to get used to like looking here and not there, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna be opening the extensions, curling them, installing them, and showing you guys and telling you guys what I think. So my salon works directly with Glam Seamless. This is the hair that we use in the salon if you're looking to get extensions. They do clips, they do tapes, they do a glam band like this one. They have a really wide range of colors. But when it comes to like the coppers, this one is like, I think the only one that they have, which is crazy that it's so close to the color that I have now. So, you know, I had to get it. My coworker Kathy also had copper extensions from Glam Seamless as well, but what she did was that she ordered them platinum and then toned them to her color. So with that being said, these are 100% Remy human hair, and you could tone them and dye them and stuff like that. It's just not recommended to bleach them. Let's go ahead and get into the package. I'm gonna open the tester piece first because once the rest of it is open, then the warranty is no longer there. So let's go ahead and open it. The little tester piece comes down here, and then you get a little piece of hair so you can match it to yours. All right, so this is the piece of hair. If anything, it might be just like a little off, but for the most part, looks pretty spot on. So in the case that these do not match perfectly, it's totally fine because I can just tone my hair just a little bit more red so they can match exactly. But from what I'm seeing, I think it's gonna blend in like perfectly. So now that we've seen the color, we can go ahead and open up the Glam Band itself. So I got the seal off. Now I'm opening them up, and this is the way they come. The hair is so long. It's so long. This is the way it looks. It's just one weft, and then it has like what some call like a little fishing line. It comes with clips that you can add onto the band, and it also comes with an extra fishing line. So I've sectioned my hair off around the head like that. Let's see if my head is too big for this right now. Oh no, it's pretty good. Let's just line it up with the little line right there, and then take off the top clips. All right, extensions are in. This is actually super comfortable, like super comfortable. Let me show you guys just how much longer the extensions are. All right, so the extensions are in. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair, make sure that none of the fishing line shows, and I will be right back. So I had to relocate to finish up this video. The extensions are in. If I really shake it like that, you can see where my hair is. But then the extensions lay like that. They add so much length. I love them. And I think they blend in pretty well, but I'll probably have one of the girls or something at the salon add some layers in them for me just so they can match that much better. But I'm obsessed. If you have length like mine, I definitely recommend getting yourself a halo. Like, I barely feel it. It's super comfortable, it feels super secure, and that's that I don't even have the clips in. So if I had the clips in, I'd be able to do backflips and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That concludes this video. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment down below if you'd like to see anything specific from me, and I will see you guys in the next one.